Welcome everyone on the fifth video of ROS tutorial series. In this video, I'll make sure that you get comfortable in writing your own custom messages. So this video is all about writing your own custom messages, starting with making of message directory in your package, then making of message file with .msg extension where all the structure of your message will be created, then making respective changes in CMakelist.txt file and package.xml file, and at last making your own custom nodes which use your custom messages to share data between them. So before starting, I'd like to tell you that if you are watching this video for the very first time, I would suggest you to watch out the previous video where I have explained how you can write your own custom nodes and make communication between them, as each video is continuation of its previous one. So before starting, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon as I bring such an interesting video every week. So let's get started. Let's first start by making a package. So I'll first open a terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt and T. Let's move to our workspace using the command cd and workspace name. Here in my case the workspace name is catkin_ws. So I'll write catkin_ws. I'll go into it. I'll go into the source directory of it. And here now I'm going to make a package. So command for making a package is catkin create package, package name and the dependencies. So catkin_create package, package name, I'll give the package name as tutorial5, tutorial_5. And what are all my dependencies? First of all is standard messages, std_m_msgs. The second dependency is ROS CPP. The third dependency is ROS py. I'll press enter. So now my package is created with the name tutorial5. Now let's move into that package. So command is cd tutorial5, enter. So you can see that the CMakelist.txt include package.xml and src folders have been created here. Now, as defined earlier, the first step for writing your messages is making a message directory. So I'll make a message directory using command mkdir make directory, and the naming convention should be msg. Press enter. Now you can see that I have a directory name msg in my package. So I'll move into that msg directory, cd msg. So here you have to make a message file with .msg extension. So I'll make a file. The command for it is touch file name. I'll write the file name as send_msg with .msg extension, .msg. And here now you have to write the structure of your message in this .msg file. So I'll open that file using the command gedit send message send_msg.msg. So now here you have to write the structure of your message. So first of all I am going to send the string. My variable name will be name. Second I will be sending the age. Then age will be integer, int 16, and I'll write variable name as age. Then third will be mobile number, int 32, and mob. So now here is the structure of my message. So I'll go again into the terminal and I'll just close this. Okay, I'll clear it. So now first step, we have completed the first step. Now the second step is some changes in CMakelist.txt file. So I'll go into the tutorial5 directory, which is my package, cd ... I went into tutorial file. I'll do ls. Now you can see that CMakelist.txt file. I'll be just editing that file, gedit and CMakelist.txt. I'll press enter. Just expand it. Now first thing you have to write here is message generation. This is the package, this is the module you have to import. So this is the first change you have to make in this file. The second change you have to make is here, add message files. So you have to uncomment this, and here you have to give the name which you have given to your message file, that is send_msg with .msg extension. Yeah. Now the third thing you have to make is uncomment this generate message dependencies standard message and this. Now the fourth thing you have to uncomment is this catkin depend ROS CPP ROS standard messages, and you have to add here message underscore runtime. So these are the 4 changes you have to make. Let's recap once again. First change you have to make here is adding this module message generation. The second change you have to make is that you have to uncomment these lines and you have to specify the file name of your message, that is send_message.msg. The third change you have to make is uncomment generate message, and the fourth change you have to make is in catkin package you have to uncomment this line and you have to add message runtime here. So you have to save this. After saving this, we'll move into terminal and then close this. Now again we have to edit the package.xml file. So gedit package.xml. I'll expand this, and here now there are some changes you have to make. First change you have to make is you have to copy this line, Ctrl C, and you have to add it here. You can add it at the end also, but it depends. Message generation, and here you have to add is message runtime exec_depend, close the tag, here write message underscore runtime and message underscore runtime, then again the closing tag exec_depend. So here are the changes in package. Let's recap once again. In the package only 2 changes you have to make. Here you have to add this build depend message generation tag and exec_depend message runtime tag. So you have to save this. We'll again go into the terminal. We'll close this. Clear this. We'll go into the catkin workspace now. cd dot. Now we'll compile this workspace using the command catkin make. At first it will take some time, and here we have completed our compiling of our workspace. So I'll clear it again. I'll go into tutorial 5 workspace package again, cd src cd tutorial 5 ls. Now I'm going to make a script directory here, mkdir, command for it is mkdir, and scripts directory scripts scripts. I'll move into the script directory. I'll make 2 files here, as we have to communicate between 2 nodes using these messages. So let's make 2 files. The command for it is touch the file name listener.py. We have to make it executable using the command chmod +x and listener.py. The second node we have to make is talker. Command is touch talker.py. We have to make again it executable chmod +x talker.py. So now you can see that there are two files, listener.py and talker.py. Now let's edit this file. So for the sake of keeping this video short, I have wrote this code and I'll be explaining this code line by line. So in the talker.py node, I have written the first line is for telling the ROS that this is the Python 3 file and this is the address where the interpreter is kept. Now the second is import ROS.py. Third is, this is the most important line, that is tutorial5.msg import star. This is import messages, whatever message we have wrote. You can specify the send message.msg file directly here, but I have imported all the message which are there in my tutorial file package. Now I have made a class message publisher. Then I have initialized the constructor first using the write. Then the seventh line is rosspy.init node. Node name is data publisher and anonymous is false. It means that there exists only one name, one node with the name data publish. If you make here as true, there can exist multiple nodes with the name data pub. Now the 8th line is self.send is equal to rosspy.publisher / data to publish send message and queue size is equal to 10. So data to publish is the topic on which data will be published. The send message is the name of the message file we have created in the message directory, and queue size is if there is some lag in sending of the message, so the message will be stored in a queue and one by one in a sequential manner it will be sent to the subscriber. This is the meaning of 8th line. Now 9th line says that we have created a self.pub data variable and here is the name of the message file we have created, and here we have created the variables pubdata.age, name and mobile number. This variable should be same as your structure of your message directory. This is very important. Then I have made a publish message function here, which will be taking my message. My age is 20, name is ABCD, mobile number is 9850 something else, and I have printed publishing data, and then through this command self.send.publish self.publish data pub data, and here is the main function which is calling my publish message function, and this is where the object of class is created. We are setting the rate at which the messages should be published, and this is the common syntax. We are calling a main function, main move function here, and then r.sleep. So this is our talker node. In the listener node, same the first line depicts it is Python 3 file ROS.py. You are importing the messages here, tutorial 5, sorry for the mistake, typo. Then again I am making a class here, again data sub. Here was the data pub and here is the data sub. Anonymous is false, only exists only one node with the name data sub. So the 8th line is rosspy.subscriber. Data to publish is the topic to which it will subscribe. It will subscribe to send message, and then it will call this function whenever there is a message. And these are the variables in which the incoming messages will be stored. This is the callback function. Here is the parameter msg, and in these parameters there are 3 variables, which is name, mobile number and age. We are storing it in self.name, self.mob and self.age. And here is the subscriber message function where we are printing the data which is coming on data to publish topic. This is the main move function, and here from where our execution has started. So this is all about our talker and listener node. Now let's open a terminal and execute this. First thing, whenever you are executing anything, first thing is initializing the ROS core. I'll initialize the ROS core using command ROS core, which is ROS master. I'll split these windows. So first of all, I'll call the talker node, and first thing before doing this is initializing the workspace with the command source / workspace name dual, then setup.bash. This here we have initialized our workspace. Now rosrun, package name tutorial 5, and the node name, which is talker.py. We'll press enter. So there is some error. I thought we did not save the message node, so that was the error. So you can see that here is our listener node, which is listening the name, mobile number and age, and here it is our talker node, which is publishing the data. So this was all about writing your own custom messages and having a communication between two nodes using these messages. So hope so you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Until then, stay creative with me, Technofetch.